Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making a super simple, super delicious buffalo chicken dip. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Well, I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that have been cleaned. I'm making a small batch of the buffalo chicken dip, but you guys can double, triple this recipe, whatever you need to do to get the size that you want. I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken. I will just be using salt, pepper, onion powder. Feel free to use whatever seasonings you like. We're gonna flip and do the exact same thing on the other side. The oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to cover this pan with foil, and we are going to bake for about 30 minutes. If I end up adjusting that time, I'll let you guys know how long it takes once I remove the chicken from the oven. So yeah, we're gonna place this in the oven and then we'll be right back. So one of the things that we're going to need for our buffalo chicken dip is shredded cheese. I am using shredded cheddar. You can absolutely buy pre-shredded cheese. I have opted to grate the cheese myself because I want it to melt really nicely. You know, when you buy pre-shredded cheese, it has some substance on it that keeps it from sticking to each other in the bag, and that prevents it from melting the way it should, in my opinion. That's why sometimes when you melt pre-shredded cheese, it still holds its shape on whatever it's on. So here we have an 8-ounce block, and we are just going to grate it. All right, so here we have our cheese. I'm just gonna place this in the refrigerator until we're ready to use it. So here's our chicken after 30 minutes in the oven. I am going to grab this other fork and shred. All right, so I'm just gonna go in now with my hands and kind of break up some of these larger pieces that are left. So now to this, we're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. Now we're gonna mix the cream cheese in. The cream cheese was at room temperature, so it's going to be easy to combine with the chicken. All right, so up next, we are going to be using some chunky blue cheese dressing. If you don't like blue cheese, you can use ranch in place of this, and some Frank's Red Hot original sauce. We are going to start by using a 1/2 cup of each. If I feel like I need more once I mix all of this together, we can add more. So there we have a 1/2 cup of the hot sauce. Now we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of the blue cheese dressing. All right. So we're gonna mix this together. And that will be enough. I may go in with just a little more blue cheese. Just a little more, maybe about 1/4 of a cup. So we're gonna mix this up. Now we're gonna grab our shredded cheese from the refrigerator and put half of it in this mixture. We're gonna save the rest of it to sprinkle on top. I am going to bake this in a smaller cast iron skillet. So let me get our skillet prepped and I'll be right back. So we're going to spread this out. Now we're going to sprinkle the rest of our cheddar cheese on top. All right, so we are going to bake this until it heats all the way through. It'll start to bubble around the edges. Remember, the chicken's already cooked, so we're not worried about cooking it. We just want everything to be heated up all throughout. So I'm gonna place this in the 375-degree oven. I'll let you guys know how long I leave it in my oven when I remove it. Here we go. Here is our dip right out of the oven after 25 minutes. We're gonna let this cool for just a bit. Then I'll sprinkle some green onions on top and we'll be all done. Now we're gonna sprinkle some green onions on top. This is purely optional. Now we're just gonna dig in. That's good, y'all. We've made it to the end of the video. If you guys have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. While you're here, I ask that you don't forget to look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. Give this video a huge thumbs up. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.